This is Sawatari. We've engaged Chainsaw at the Nerima Nishidai building. 3rd floor. Requesting backup.
We shooting him?
Keep your aim on his heart and his arms.
Piss off! That's wide! No! That really hurts. What the hell? When did I even get cut? Hey! Can opener! This jerk's one of your bad guy buddies, yeah?
That observation have a point.
Well, if you move 1 millimeter from there, your buddy will lose his head, and there'll be a special on ground beef!
You're such a piece of shit.
Yeah, that's right. Sit your dumb ass down. Where'd he...
We better move him. You go and bring the car around. Make it quick. Then again, I guess there's no rush. Chainsaw's friends are dead.